Hello everyone, my name is Urvisha Patel, working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Let's continue with the unit number 2. Today we are going to discuss about data warehouse schema architecture. Data warehouse environment usually transform the relational data model into some spatial architectures that is called data models. The most commonly used data models are star schema, snowflake schema, fact constellation schema. A data warehouse requires a concise subject-oriented schema that facilitates online data analysis. Fact constellation schema is also called group of star schema, or you can say collection of fact tables. First is star schema. Star schema is a simple data warehouse schema. In this schema, star schema in which data warehouse contain fact table and dimension table. Fact table is a large central table which we will see in next example, and dimension table is a set of smaller attendant tables. Dimension tables displayed in a radial pattern around the central fact table. This schema is called star schema because the diagram is resembled a star. Here we are taking an example of all electronic cells. Here you can see that this is one central table, cells fact table. Fact table contain the primary key of all dimension table plus measure. Here you can see three measure: units sold, dollars sold, and average sales. Measure means numeric value which is important for your analysis. Here in time table, time key is a primary key which is available in sales fact table. Next is the item key. Item key is the primary key of item table. Branch key is the primary key of branch table, and location key is the primary key of location table. We have four dimensions table here: time, branch, item, and location, and three measures. So this diagram is look like a star, so this schema is called star schema. Next is a snowflake schema. The snowflake schema is a variant of the star schema model where some additional dimension table are normalized. Normalized means your dimension table is connected with another table. That is called normalization. And the resulting forms or a shape is similar to the snowflake, so it is called snowflake schema. Here is the example of snowflake schema. Here we are taking same database, all electronics database, and same table. Cells is a fact table. Fact table contain primary key of all dimensions table and measures. What is measures? Measures means your numeric value which is important for your analysis. In database, serial number is also numeric but which is not important for analysis, so we cannot take serial number as a measure. Now here item dimension table is connected with the supplier table. Means here supplier key is used in item dimension table. This is called normalization. Another table, location. Location table is connected with city table. So primary key of city table we are using in location. This type of schema architecture is known as snowflake schema. Last is a fact constellation schema. This kind of schema can be used as collection of stars. So it is called galaxy schema or fact constellation schema. In this schema, we can use more than one fact table. In some applications required multiple fact table to share dimension tables. So in this situation, we need to use fact constellation schema. Fact constellation schema allows dimension table to be shared between fact tables. As we see two example of schema, star schema and snowflake schema. So I think you all are clear about fact table and dimension table. Here we have two fact table, sales fact table and shipping fact table. Sales fact table is connected with time dimension table, branch dimension table, item dimension table and location dimension table. Shipping fact table is connected with time dimension table, item dimension table, shipper dimension table here, location dimension table, and here we have two measure dollar cost and unit shipped. So in this schema we are using more than one fact table. Here we are using two fact table, sales fact table and shipping fact table. Fact table means fact table contain primary key of all dimension table plus measure. Measure is a numeric value which is important for analysis. Thank you.